Greetings and welcome everyone watching my channel, the Coolmaker. Today I'm gonna unbox the brand new multi-purpose camera with advanced technology that we could not even imagine. This is the most advanced and easiest way to quick edit any kind of footage just in your mobile or the desktop. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's open it up and let's find out what is inside. So now I introduce you the brand new Insta360 ONE X2. It's a steady cam with 360 view, well, and also a sports cam with waterproof up to 10 meters. So here it is. Let's get going. Here's a box. I think it contains charger, user manual, well, and other stuff. That's a cable for charging. And here is a pouch to keep the camera safe within the pocket. Here is a cotton just to wipe the camera. User manual, some paper. Lots of paper, alright, in different languages, you know. Okay, let's get the first hands on the camera itself. So here how it looks like. Insta360 ONE. It has two wide angle lens which shoot like 160 degree each, I think 180 degree maybe, and it merges two footage into one 360 degree video. So that's it. Well, I have a memory card, so I'm gonna use this memory card of 32 GB just for the test. And as you can see, the camera is still charging, so we need to charge it first. So everything is waterproof up to 10 meters, so you have to push it very gently and properly. So let's take out the battery. So that's the battery. You have to pull it from there, pop out, and there is a slot where you can put this micro SD card. Make sure there are no dust, as it is waterproof. There should not be any dust, so you have to push it very gently and hard so that you can just like that. So let's boot it up. So one thing I realized, it will not immediately start recording or capturing any footage or photo. You need to install its application in your either in mobile or desktop, and then you have to connect it with your, let's say, with the mobile, and then you have to activate it online. So after activating, the device will immediately start working. So that's the tips. Let's check out the functions. There are several options. It's a touch interface, circled screen where you can choose your options. You know, you just go to setting. Just I'm not used to it, so I'm just gonna check some basic things. Just like other cameras, you can mount anything. You can mount it in any accessories, like this selfie stick. Selfie stick is the most important for this camera, and it's really advantage for me that I have all the accessories from the sports cam, so I can use all the accessories for this camera. That means I don't have to buy any extra accessories. Well, after that, I have also tested some of my footage. So here you have to go to the app, Insta360 app. So I have synced all the videos. You can check the automatic shots, which you can choose it from the library and just let the app decide, or you can do it manually just like this. So basically it shoots everything, it captures everything around you. You just have to choose the angle and boom, export it in your internal memory. Then just like that, it will convert into a single video, and it looks like this, the final scene. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and definitely like my video. Well, I really appreciate if you share it too, and let me know in the comment below. But enjoy this video.
on it. But oh. So here we are. Live video, live video. Live video.